In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter batch transactions in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and simplify those repetitive data entry tasks, saving you both time and effort. First things first, when you're in your QuickBooks Online dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen and click on the New button. This button acts as your gateway to a multitude of financial tasks, so it's essential to know your way around it. Once you've clicked it, you'll want to look for and select batch transactions from the menu that appears. This feature is incredibly handy, as it allows you to streamline your operations by processing multiple transactions simultaneously rather than one at a time. Upon selecting batch transactions, you'll find yourself looking at a comprehensive table view. Here, you have two options. You can either manually enter the details of each transaction right into this table, which is helpful if you're dealing with a few entries, or you can simply paste details from another document if that's more convenient. As you enter or paste your transactions into the table, you'll notice an option at the top left that lets you choose the type of transaction you're working with. Whether it's an invoice, expense, or any other transaction type, make sure to select the appropriate type so that QuickBooks can correctly process your data. If you've been proactive and have already compiled your transactions in an Excel or CSV file, QuickBooks makes this process even easier for you. You'll find an Import option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be guided through the process of importing your data into the system. This feature is a huge time saver and ensures that your data is accurate and seamlessly integrated into QuickBooks. Once you have everything entered and are satisfied with your input, simply click on Save and Close, and just like that, you're done. It's a straightforward process that, when done correctly, can significantly enhance your workflow. Batch entering transactions can seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, QuickBooks Online makes it intuitive and efficient. By following these simple steps, initiating the batch transaction mode, entering or importing your data, and saving, a potentially complex task is made much more manageable. This will free up time you can dedicate to other important areas of your business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Catch you in the next video.